Hello everyone, in this video, I will show you how to add store hours to the Shopify footer. First, go to Shopify and make sure you log it in. Now, click on Add from the left-hand menu. Then click on Shopify App Store. Now in the search bar, tap Store Hours. From the results, find and click on Closing Time Manager. Next, click on Install and then click Install again to confirm. Once the app opens, you'll see options like Hours, Open Hours Table, and Store Closed banner. Now click on Get Started under the Hours section. Here, set your weekly store hours according to your schedule. Then click on Save. Next, go to the Tables section where you can customize the header, bottom comment, and other display options. Once everything is set, click Save again. Now click on Preview in the theme. From the left side layout panel, drag the Open Hours block into the footer section. Then check your store. You'll see the store hours added nicely in the footer. If this video was helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribe to the channel. With that being said, I'll see you in the next video.